Hello lovies, grace and peace everybody. Welcome and welcome again to my channel. My name is Miss Masao, and if you're clicking here for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So today we are going to be making our Rozella juice. This is a very refreshing juice, a summertime juice, and it's very easy to make. It only requires 3 ingredients. So let's get straight into the video. Into a large bowl, pour 1 cup of Rozella flowers into it, then add 1 liter of water and then let it cool completely. As you can see, I was just eyeballing, but the measurements, as I said before, they'll be in the description box below, so please do check it out. Once it has completely cooled down, you're going to prepare your orange and your sugar, and then you're going to also prepare your jug with a sieve and start pouring your juice into the jug. After you're done sieving, then you're going to start adding your sugar to your juice. Now in this house we love sugar, so please don't judge us. You can add according to your liking, and then you're going to be mixing everything until the sugar completely dissolves. After that, we're going to be squeezing 1 slice of an orange so that we can get its juices, and then we're going to be pouring the juice of an orange into the jug that contains the Rozella juice. And the reason that we are adding the orange juice is to eliminate the smell of the Rozella on its own. But if you're comfortable with the Rozella smell, there's no need for you to add the orange juice. Then you're going to be mixing everything, and after that your juice is ready. You can chill it in the fridge and drink it after a while. It is very good. It has allegedly some beneficials or some benefits to your health. Now go ahead and do your own research. In no ways or means I am a doctor, so please do your own research if you do like. But this juice is very refreshing. It is very not pricey at all. It's very affordable, and it's very good summer juice. As you can see, I enjoyed mine with some ice cubes, and this juice, kids love it, adults love it. Once it's chilled, it's a very refreshing juice, as I said before, and it has some benefits. But please do go ahead and do your own research, as I said, and just be informed in your own. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment down below if you tried this juice, and do not forget to subscribe. I know most of you who are watching are not yet subscribed, so please do subscribe, help your girl out. And thank you so much, lovies. Please also don't forget to watch my other recipes and comment down below what recipes you would prefer to see next time. Bye bye.